Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. You know, I love wreaths at the front door, but I'm thinking of doing things a little different this year. So I came up with this spring decor and I made this using all Dollar Tree items. It was so easy to make and you only need a few items. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. Starting off with 6 of these puzzle frames from Dollar Tree. I picked them up in blue and white. You can definitely leave them like that, but I'm going to take off all the inside parts, the interior, and I'm going to paint one purple and one pink color. Now it is time to take out the rest of them. We're going to go ahead and take that plastic piece and we're going to cover it with this vinyl. It is self-adhesive, so it's easy to work with. This is how they should look afterwards, and then it's time to put everything back in there. So all of my frames are currently like blue, white, that purple and pink color, so you want to aim for like spring colors. So I'm going to take the backing, like I said, place it in there and close the clamps. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now don't you forget to subscribe so you're notified when I upload my next project. Now I'm going to go ahead and put them all together just so I can kind of see what I'm working with. I am going to go ahead and put, I think I started with blue and then it was white, and then I'll show you in a sec here, but I'm putting it together. And then we're going to go in with these black stickers. Obviously, you can go with any stickers or even wood piece. If you have wooden letters, you can go with those instead. But instead, I just went with these black stickers, which I Mod Podged later in the end. You'll see in the end of the video. Here I have this welcome sign that I just kind of had on hand, the galvanized one. I used them in different projects, but here I had one spray painted it white. We're going to use E6000, place it on top so it says Welcome Spring. Now you're probably thinking, how are you going to hang this? I have these wooden beads also from Dollar Tree from the Easter section. As you can see, there's that little bunny over there. We're going to use that to hang it. But I made a little mistake here. I realized how heavy this was, so this actually wasn't a good idea. Be sure to watch it till the end. I just wanted to leave this in here, so you shouldn't do that. I just left it on purpose here. But I did glue it at first and I realized how heavy it was afterwards. So I've been collecting these feet off of the wooden piece from Dollar Tree with the bunny. I'm just going to put that on the last frame that has the G. We're taking gnomes. This is also from Dollar Tree. Like I said, everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. A little bit of Mod Podge, so that way my stickers stay in place. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue the gnomes on there. But here it is. I made holes on the first frame, so the blue one, the one with an S, I went in with that and made some holes in there with a hot tool, took my own twine, and then I saved the first bead. Basically, we're taking all of those beads and putting it on our own twine. I'm going to take the first bead, make 4 or 5 knots so it stays in place, going in with E6000, and I'm going to apply a little bit under it just to make sure that it stays in place and stays put. Now I'm going to put all the beads in and do the same thing on the other side. Take the same twine, the other end, and then you're going to go through the hole. Make sure to save one bead at the end so we can do the same thing to the other side. It is optional. You can have the same color, but I just kind of went with the same pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and apply E6000 and make the knots as well. And this is how it looks. I want to hear from you. This project was super easy, and this is going to be going on my front door, and I just love the way it turned out, but I want to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And you can change this up. You can definitely leave the spring colors and add pictures there instead if you're going to have this as a decor in your house. The ideas with this are endless, and definitely take the idea, make it your own, and make it fit your style. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.